Welcome. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to keep tighter control over who can edit messages, this guide is for you. With Telegram's powerful admin settings, you can decide exactly which admins have permission to edit messages sent by others, helping you maintain order and consistency in your channel. Let's walk through the updated steps to prevent channel admins from editing messages in your Telegram channel. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the channel where you want to adjust admin permissions. Next, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel's main info page, where you can see details about your channel and access its settings. Now, look for the Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon or the word Edit. Tap on it to enter the channel management settings. Inside the settings menu, find and tap on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your channel, each with their own set of permissions. Scroll through the list and select the admin whose permissions you want to change. Tapping on their name will open a detailed permissions menu just for that admin. In this menu, find the Manage Messages section. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Edit Messages of Others. If this box is checked, it means the admin can edit messages sent by other people in the channel. To prevent this, simply unmark or uncheck the Edit Messages of Others option. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to tap Save to apply the changes. That's it. By following these steps, you ensure that only trusted admins have the ability to edit messages in your channel, keeping your content secure and your channel's voice consistent. If you ever need to update permissions for other admins, just repeat these steps. Regularly reviewing admin rights is a great way to keep your Telegram channel organized and protected. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.